Hello, this is Indie Peach 411. Thank you so much for stopping by. Do you want to make an easy and impressive date night meal? Well, check this out. So I made this dish for a potential suitor, and here's how we met. I received a message on social media, and I'm like, okay, who is this guy? I had no idea who he was. So after doing a little detective work, I found out that he was friends with one of my friends. So I contacted her, got the 411, and after she told me how great he was, I decided to message him back. So we talked for a while, and then after I got comfortable enough with him, I decided to bake him a meal. I express affection and appreciation by cooking for my family and friends. I chose lasagna because I love it, and nothing says romance like Italian food. So let's get started. So first I chopped some onions, then I added minced garlic, and I sauteed them until the onions became translucent. So then I added cooked and drained ground beef, pasta sauce, some brown sugar, and beef bouillon. I mixed all of the ingredients, then put it back on the stove and allowed it to cook until it was nice and bubbly. Now we'll make our cheese sauce. So first we add our cottage cheese, Italian seasoning, garlic, pepper, cream cheese, Parmesan cheese, and an egg. Then we'll blend it until it's well mixed. Now that I've completed my cheese and meat sauces, I'm going to start layering with a thin layer of meat sauce. Next, I'll add 3 lasagna noodles. Now I used whole wheat because that's what I had, but you can use whatever type you prefer. And I only cook 6 lasagna noodles, and I cook them as the package suggested. Then I spread the cheese sauce, next the meat sauce, then I top it with mozzarella cheese. So now let's go back to the date. I served the lasagna with salad, garlic bread, and a peach cobbler. He looked and smelled great, so much so that I wanted to have him for dessert. But you know, the only easy thing here are recipes. And so I think the meal was a success because he asked for seconds, and then the following day he called back to see if there were any more leftovers. Now you'll notice as I add the last layer of mozzarella cheese, I also add some cheddar jack cheese as well. So what did you think? Did it seem easy? If you thought so, type easy in the comment section. So here we have it. This is our date night baked lasagna. And I promise you it tastes even better than it looks. Thank you so much for stopping by. Go on and share with me some of your favorite date night meals. And if you like this video, remember to hit the thumbs up, share, and subscribe. So until next time, bon appetit.